Our weather with Angelica, we had a gorgeous San Diego day today. There's nothing about a May gray whatsoever, Angelica.
Yeah, just picture perfect. What a day, Steve. And we're expecting a warm up. So I know today it's comfortable, but get ready. Temperatures will be heating up if you're hoping for that. That is coming. So let's take a look outside our Skycam in Mount Soledad. Just beautiful overlooking La Jolla. You can see a few of those leftover clouds in place, but otherwise, just gorgeous. Temperatures have been in a cooling trend since yesterday, dropping 3 to 5 degrees around the county from Carlsbad to Ramona, 5 degrees cooler in Escondido, 9 degrees cooler in Julian, but it's just keeping things on the comfortable side. This is what spring should be in San Diego. 72 in Poway, 66 in Ramona, 69 in El Cajon, and 64 degrees in Jamul. How about downtown? Look at Coronado Bridge. It looks already pretty busy out there. We see a Navy ship out in the horizon, 70 degrees. The winds out of the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. And the current conditions are pretty quiet as the latest storm system is now making its way through El Paso and Albuquerque. But there's another disturbance to the north. We'll keep an eye on it. It could bring just a few clouds by the end of the week, but from here on out, we are going to be just kind of looking for the marine layer because it's not going to be present. It'll be mostly clear tonight, a few patchy clouds expected into tomorrow morning, but again, not a big deal, mostly sunny skies. Even that storm to the north will continue moving east and warm weather will take over the county and is going to be warming up even into the holiday weekend. At the coast, hour by hour, temperatures dropping to 59 degrees at 2 a.m., 58 into tomorrow morning, so a nice cool start to the day. And then eventually heating up. Inland communities, it will be in the mid-50s between 4 and 6 with a few clouds, but for the most part, it will be clear through the evening. We'll see some patchy fog very early, 4 or 5 a.m. After 7, it will start to clear. So it all depends on what time you wake up. If you wake up after 7, you may not see any of those clouds tomorrow. 80s for our inland communities on Thursday, and by next week, we could get very close to 90 degrees. For our deserts, temperatures around 86 degrees tomorrow. So looking at another comfortable day with a lot more sunshine.